like right in my face. That's actually going to make a huge difference. Let's see if this makes any difference. I'm going to try it out. Okay, can you guys hear me better now? Let's see if this makes any difference. I'm going to try it out. Okay, can you guys hear me better now? Okay, that genuinely sounds a lot better. I'm going to go ahead and change it to plus 15 decibels. Okay, now I can see it's hitting this orange level, which probably means it's kind of loud. Let's see what's happening. I can see it's hitting this orange level, which probably means it's kind of loud. That sounds pretty good. I can see it's hitting this orange level. I think it's going well. It's kind of. It's pretty good. I can see it's hitting this orange level. Okay. I'm happy with that for now. Still want to lower the music. I think it's still a little bit loud. And then one other thing I noticed is I'm looking to the side at this other screen a lot, which I kind of have this thing set up there, but I don't think that's the right way to go for me. So I'm going to try to find another solution. So we're going to do some more kind of figuring out what to do. So let's go ahead and stop sharing that. No, we want that one, but we don't want this one. I do think having a space to show the tutorial or whatever I'm following separate from my editor window is a really good idea. So I can move this control panel to the side. I could kind of just like size this window appropriately and make sure this is open. I think that's actually a good solution. So, yeah, I think I can just go with this for now. I just have to make sure not to put anything on this section of the screen. Alright, it's not bad. Actually pretty good because it's only one screen that I have to keep in mind when I'm sharing with you guys. Nice. Cool. So yeah, let me figure out how to get this running in a web browser now. Okay, so it might be good to create a Git repository. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'll go ahead and create a new repo for this. Call it Flappy Bird game. Yeah, this can be public. Yeah, we don't need to worry about anything here. So we need to do a git init, I believe. Go ahead and add a git ignore. Yeah, it's really important to not commit extra files. So I'm using Claude Code here to help with a lot of coding tasks. This is going to be super helpful as I continue to progress. I really love tools like Claude Code because only do they write code a lot, but they also help you learn about how code works. So, going to be very helpful. So we did that. We're going to do this. We're going to paste that here. That goes here. Okay. So we can add all this. I'm actually not sure if this is the right thing, because this is my Unity project, which is useful, but if I want to think about serving this project on a website, I want to run a web server, and I'm most experienced with using a web server, like having a Next.js app. Let's ask the AI, what is a good way to serve the web build artifact on a domain name using this code? I'm considering making a monorepo with a Next.js app. Okay, it's saying that I can actually just use the build Unity WebGL and deploy the build folder directly to Vercel. So that actually sounds like the easiest thing. Where is the build folder located? I already built it once. Okay, so it's actually in Flappy Bird. So then I can just go into Vercel and deploy it. So we don't need Next.js. So an easy way to do this would just be to push this. Initial commit, git push. What is the next command? Yeah, we just want to do this. What does it say? Something failed. Something is not working with that. How about this? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see. We can ask the AI what's going wrong here. I haven't pushed to Git in a little while. Oh, the WebGL is too big. This is going to be an interesting problem because if the WebGL is too big, but I want to host the game, how do I move forward? I think the files should be in the repo. Let's also just double check. Well, let's see. option 1 is the best solution. I'm not familiar with Git LFS, but using the AI, I'm able to learn stuff pretty quickly. Alright, we are tracking the large files, and we're apparently using a .git attributes file. We're going to remove the cached Flappy Bird stuff, and we're going to add it. So this should allow us to commit the code. Sure, let's do that. Okay, still getting a 400. Yeah, I think it's because it's the initial commit that contains it. So I think the AI should be able to figure out what we did. Okay. It's eventually going to figure out how to do a git reset. Task is pretty easy. I could do it myself, but also could let the AI do it. This is one of the classic things where you ask the AI to do something pretty simple and you often just end up with a never-ending failure. We can see it failed again, so this is super annoying. Oh, it's saying part of it worked. Let's take a look. Okay, now we're getting a permission denied. Uh-oh, my pup wants to play. Oh, okay, I'm gonna take her for a walk. She, unfortunately, is the boss of me right now. Maybe things will change once I launch this game. Wants me to go delete the repo, so I'm gonna go ahead, take a walk with the dog, then I'll come back and take this next step. See you guys soon.